Hello, I hope you're enjoying summer Barbie weather, and have I got a recipe for you. The tasteful recipe of the week is Za'taar and Haloumi lamb cutlets and a Turkish Esme salad. So I love little lamb cutlets, like little lollipop chops. They come with a little built-in handle and everything. So what you need for this recipe is nice big lamb cutlets that are well trimmed. So I've sort of trimmed these. I've got finishing my last 3 here, and we've got some halloumi. Halloumi is a Cypriot style cheese. Looks a little bit like feta here, but it actually is quite a squeaky little cheese that melts quite nicely. And so that's going to form a little surprise pocket in the center. So come a little closer and have a look at how I do this. So I use a sharp pointed knife, and I'm going to just make a little pocket in there, sort of swiveling the knife inside to make it a bit wider inside, but not too big, just big enough to pop in my little piece of cheese and just reform the cutlet. So you will never know that that's in there. And we're going to actually season those with a lovely Za'taar spice mix. So let me show you what that looks like. So Za'taar is a Middle Eastern spice mix that has a mixture of things. It has some cumin. So my mix is a tablespoon of everything. 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of sumac. You can use paprika if you don't have sumac. 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, a tablespoon of sea salt, and a tablespoon of sesame seeds. And I just need to mix all that together. And that spice actually will keep very well in a jar. So I'm not going to use all of it today. I'll just use whatever I need to sprinkle on top. I'm just giving it a bit of a rough mix. And it's fantastic. Sprinkled on top of pita bread and popped into the oven as well. So how often used. Alright, so let's have a look at how we're going to get our little lamb cutlets sprinkled. So we just need to sprinkle it with the za'taar. You can do this in advance and then just pop it on the barbecue when you're ready. I, of course, am using an indoor char grill pan. It's getting a good workout at the moment this summer. And you can have a look at the others that have already been cooking there. They're already done. They actually only take a couple of minutes on each side. You want them to still be pink in the center. Have a look at my ingredients for my Esme salad. So I have some little tomatoes. I'm using little Roma tomatoes. I just cut them into wedges, and some chopped green capsicum, some chopped red capsicum, lots of parsley, red onion, and garlic. And this is what makes the Esme salad the Esme salad. We're going to add some tomato paste, so about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses. Let's just drizzle that all. It's all going to get mixed in. So about 2 tablespoons, expertly measured at this end. Of course, you can use a tablespoon measure, and 2 teaspoons of salt, and half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and a little bit of chili. So about a teaspoon of chili flakes are going in there as well. You can add more or less depending. And we just want to mix all that together. So you're going to end up with this lovely, intense tomato flavored dressing on account of the tomato paste. You can imagine how well that goes with something like lamb, but it's also really good with char grilled chicken, or you can even do char grilled pork fillets. Also good with burgers, and then even serve it with snags. So that salad, it actually is really great if it sits for a little while. But I'm going to now show you how I like to serve it. So that's going onto my platter. Of course, we're trying to make good looking, great tasting food, right? That's what I'm interested in. Look at the colour of that salad. It's sort of a salad and a sauce and a condiment all at once. Perfect for summer. Now all we need to do is pop our little lamb cutlets on top. And try to position them with the handles that are sticking up so people can grab them easily. Of course, I like to finish off with a little sprinkle, so we'll sprinkle a little more of the za'atar. A drizzle of olive oil just for that added sparkle. And don't forget a little bit of herbs, so just add some little parsley leaves to finish. And there you are. There are my Za'taar Haloumi lamb cutlets. Can't wait to get stuck into those with a Turkish Esme salad. Beautiful for the summer, and you'll find them all in my book, Tasteful.